Yeah. It's a chasing her. Uh-oh, don't let it go under the couch. Oh, he gets it.
He's stuck. What is it, Bailey?
Oh my God.
What is it, Bailey? Oh, she's eating it.
She likes it, I think.
Yeah. What is it? Oh my goodness. Is it a mouse? Is it a mouse?
Every time it's
Well, she really thinks she's doing something. That's hilarious. What is it? When you grab it, she wants to grab it. It's like she gets stuck. What is it?
She got it.
What is it? Oh, she got it.
She likes it.
What is it, baby? What is it?
Oh my gosh, what is it? Red floor. Yeah.
You get it?
She can have it now.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was like, okay. Before I thought she didn't want it. Yeah.
That's hilarious.
Well, I told you we needed to take it out of the ball, but Taylor wouldn't listen. And she'd love it. See, the ball scares her. It's noisy and huge. Here, you might want to grab that away.
Where'd it go? It's stuck, Kristen.
Oh. Never mind. I'm gonna get it. I just gotta pretend like I'm grabbing it. She'll grab it. Well,
Get it, Dee.
now she won't be eating flies. She'll be eating it.
Yeah. What is it? That's hilarious.
How to do that at the Christmas party and let everybody. Grab it, Chrissy. Oh my goodness! I'll put it on that. She can tear it up. Okay. Bailey!
Get it, Bee.
Kitty!
I think she's over it.
It's gonna take her no matter what.